fish fingers, fish sticks, fish fries, fish flakes.
Oh, you like this fish?
Oh, I love my fish. Wherever you are in the world, guys, I'm Ryan Ingleton. This is my lovely wife, Amanda.
Hey, everyone.
And guys, we've got a special treat for you guys today. What we're actually...
Have a guess what it is.
It's something to do with fish. So what we're going to do today, guys, is I watched a video the other day on YouTube. It was from Matheson. Matty, you're a champion, mate. I watched your fish sticks. I cooked them for the kids. Fish sticks? Fish sticks. That's a hard one to say, guys. I challenge you at home to say fish sticks faster, maybe 5 times real fast. But Matty did these amazing fish sticks. So I decided to copy them at home. They were such a big hit. I thought, I've got to do this. I've got to replicate it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start off with the tartare sauce. I don't know if you call it tartare, tatare, Tatarian, total tars. I don't know what you call. What do you like to call it, Amanda?
Tartare.
Okay, we're going to call it tartare. So that's what we're going to start off with today, guys. So what you need 1 dill cucumber.
I was going to say, we do have a dill.
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day, by the way.
Happy Father's Day to the dill. So I'm the one that asked, anyway. You need 1 dill cucumber. You need the same amount of a red onion. Mm-hmm. You need 2 8-minute boiled eggs. You got to separate the yellow parts, the yolk, from the white parts and chop them up separately. And then you've got to chuck them all in the bowl like we have in front of us right now. So that's it, guys. We've got all this chopped up. Look how good that looks. Does that smell good, Manna?
Yep, pretty good.
Smells like a dill. Smells amazing.
Not what I've been near.
One thing we've got to add to that, guys, make sure you do all your dry ingredients first. You want to have all the dry ingredients, mix them in, get them all in there nice and good before we add the mayonnaise. But I'm just going to chop up.
Is the mayonnaise like the wet ingredient?
The mayonnaise is the wet ingredient, guys. Everything needs a wet ingredient. Mm-hmm. I'm usually in charge of the wet ingredient. And today we're going to add some parsley and we're going to add some dill real quick. We only need to add just a little bit to this mix. Fresh dill, fresh parsley. Make sure you get that shit everywhere when you're cutting it too. Makes it a lot better. You like fish sticks, Manna?
I'll try them. I'm not a big fan of seafood, you know that. But
yes,
anyway,
I know that.
I trust that these are going to be pretty good.
These will be great.
If they don't taste like fish, I'll like them.
I can tell you now that my mate Matty makes the best fish sticks and I've copied them. Yeah, that's right.
We'll have to try it, Matty.
That's it. Now what we did get though, guys, I've never ever tried this mayonnaise before in Australia, but Matty uses KEWPIE mayonnaise, so that's what we bought.
Squeezy bottle.
It's an amazing bottle. It is.
I'm getting excited about the KEWPIE.
All right, well, can you squirt old KEWPIE in the bowl?
Oh, it's got a star at the top.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you even took off the squirter. Now we're just pumping it, just pumping it straight out of the bottle. That's right. You want about half a cup. Just keep going.
Oh, look at that.
Keep pumping that in there. Well, look at that. That's going everywhere, guys.
I'm in my element.
You certainly are. It's probably thrown a cup in.
I think that's too much.
That doesn't matter. All right. We're going to mix that in.
Excited.
We're going to mix this beautiful mixture in.
Oh, that's good.
That tastes unreal, guys. If you've never had KEWPIE mayonnaise from Japan, get down to your local supermarket and buy some because it is just... Well, it already tastes a little bit like tartare sauce, I reckon.
It does.
Now, that mayonnaise is looking pretty good at the moment in there with those ingredients. We just need 1 cheek. 1 cheek chopped off. You don't need your cheeks chopped off, though. 1 cheek of a lemon. Whoa.
Need a squirt.
I'm squirting it everywhere. Can you grab us 1 pinch of salt over there for me as well? And while you get the salt, sorry, Matty, I don't have any capers, mate, but I got some pepper. So I'll add that in there. We'll stir this through. Oh.
Listen to that.
That sounds, look at that, guys. That is mayonnaise. That is tartare sauce at its best. I'm going to try it.
Can I try it?
Oh, you've nailed it. That's it. That's the new tartare sauce in this place. Do you like it?
Mm. Oh, yeah, it's nice.
It is good. Can you eat this by the spoon, Matty?
Oh. Can you throw it all over the floor, Maddie?
I probably can. Now guys, let that rest. Chuck that in the fridge. Let's get onto these fish sticks.
Yep.
Fish fingers.
Make sure you say fish, not fist.
True.
I smell fish.
All right, guys, now we're up to cutting the beautiful fish to make our fish fingers, fish sticks. All right, now we don't have any halibut.
What?
Flounder in Australia, it's called, Maddie. But what we do have, we have lots of ling. So ling, it's like a cod fish. Okay. So it's a nice white cod fish.
Does it taste like fish?
Doesn't taste a lot like fish, guys. So this is the perfect thing. What you want to do though is you want to run your knife down this section here though. Take out all this little red section of veins.
You're so talented.
I know, tell ya. It's all a fluke. So we take out this little red section. We don't want anything to do with that. Anything to do with that. So I'll move that aside before Amanda starts making some innuendos.
Artistic there.
Innuendos or anything like that, guys. All right. Now what we're going to do, you can make these shapes all that you like. We'll keep them pretty much the same. So you just want to slice it down and then just cut them into sections like little fingers. That's all we need to do.
Okay.
How's your finger?
Oh.
Then what you want to do, chuck them in the fridge. You can leave them overnight if you like. Let them air dry. Thankfully, we've already done that for you guys. We've had them in the fridge for about 2 hours. So as opposed to me wasting your time and cutting all this up, that is what these little beauties are going to look like. This is the part where you get 3 bowls up.
Yep.
One has a moist hand, a dry hand, and someone has a moist hand because they're going to use the wet ingredients.
Interesting.
So I've voted that I'm going to use the wet ingredients today. I've put myself out.
What do I have to do for that?
I've put myself out. You're going to need the panko crumbs because you're on the dry.
I get the dry one.
You've got the flour, so we're just using
what's all happening?
Plain all-purpose flour, and we've also got the panko crumbs.
Okay.
All right, would you like to slice them open?
Yep.
Oh, put them on your baking dish. I've got 4 eggs, guys, that I've whisked up. Holy shit. We've already crumbed all the fish, guys. There's no need to do any extra steps. I'll grab that while Amanda panics. Wow. Sorry, Maddie. Low budget production over here in Australia, mate. Holy
sleep deprived right now.
You are, because we've got some little puppies in the house.
We've got lots of puppies.
All right. So, Amanda.
All right.
If you take that now, press that into that all-purpose flour. I'll just move these off to the side because
that feels good.
That does feel good. I'm going to use, I'm the wet hand. So I'm getting ready.
But what do I have to do now?
You just pass it to me.
Oh, okay.
All right, shake it off first. Drop it in there. We roll it around, we swizzle. We let it drip, and then I just launch it into the panko crumbs.
I feel like we're doing this a bit back to front.
We are a little bit. That's because I want it to be the wet hand. All right, so we're going to keep doing that, guys. We're going to throw these panko crumbs over the top like this. We're going to roll it around. What are you doing with your little fingers over there? You can tell when you have 4 kids, guys, what excites you, but that's what they're going to look like. Look at that beautiful specimen, eh?
They do look good.
They do look good. They're going to taste even better. We're going to fiddle around with the rest of this. And we'll be back soon.
Can you get this in the egg?
We'll be back soon.
Get your wet stuff on this.
So guys, we're using canola oil to shallow fry these beautiful fish sticks in this pan. And while we're waiting for the oil to come up to the temperature, Amanda thought that she'd show us all one of her puppies. Or 2.
Look.
So here we have it here, guys. One of Amanda's beautiful little cavoodle pups. They're treated like little kids in our place because we've had 4 boys. We don't have any girls, but we've managed to have girls here.
Oh, hello.
So they get treated, as I said, treated like a part of the family. Better than the kids. Better than me.
Yeah, oh, look.
All right, go and put her back.
Okay.
Mum's probably missing her. Guys, you're looking for a temperature of 350 degrees for your oil.
It looks like you're fishing.
It does. Well, I caught fish.
You got your rod in there.
Definitely got me rod out. Because of them puppies.
That's a hot rod.
It is a hot rod. $2.95. Fuck's sake.
Hurry up.
How much fucking longer have we got to wait for this to heat up? Now the oil is up to 350 degrees. It's time to chuck these little fish fingies in. Now guys, what you want to make sure that you do every time you add one of these, be very careful.
Don't drop it from like a really high height, like I like to chuck things in.
Do not chuck things in.
Not advisable.
Definitely not advisable to chuck things in this situation. And you only want to put, look, I've found 4 or 5 is the maximum that you want to put in the oil, because you don't want that temperature of the oil going down. You want it to keep at that 350 the whole time that it's shallow frying these little fingers.
Use that word a lot in this one.
I've used fingers a lot. The old fish sticks. As you can see, look, it only takes 30 seconds.
That's a quick fry.
These are super quick fryers, fish finger fryers. And look at that. And how you know they're done, you just look at the breadcrumbs, guys. Once they're golden, that's it. Look at that. You want to take them out. I've actually got a drying rack over there at the moment.
Got a few racks here.
I've got a couple of racks. So my little drying rack placed down there. Amanda might hold that up for you after I take this last one out. Show you what it looks like.
The other rack.
The other
little rack.
So that's what they look like, guys. We're going to finish frying these little fish sticks, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do a taste test. That's it. It's cooked, and we're up to my favourite part, the taste test. Guys, unfortunately, we couldn't get any of our kids out here. Matty, I know you've got a MacArthur. Funny, we live in the MacArthur district of Sydney, Australia over here, so it's kind of ironic. But all our boys, they're teenagers.
Fortnite tournament, apparently.
Fortnite tournament. They're all teenagers. They're all out there playing Fortnite. They're all fighting. No one wants to come down here, so we're going to eat your magnificent meal. All right, let's go for the taste test, Dale.
Okay.
Doesn't it look fantastic?
It looks beautiful.
It does.
For someone who doesn't like seafood, I generally would not order fish, but
That's true.
this looks really good, though.
These fish sticks, fish fingers, fish flakes, fish fries are fantastic. I'm going to grab one.
Digging in.
I'm going to grab one.
Put some lemon on.
Yeah, I'm going to squeeze.
Yeah, can you squeeze some lemon on mine?
Yep. Cut the cheeks, guys.
Oh.
Cut the cheeks off your lemons. This is the best spot to get all this beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I've come in there. I've cut Amanda off. We put some salt on it too, guys. That's true. We put some salt on it while we're waiting. Oh, I can't get all this on. I'm putting this on.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
that is like...
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Bloody do this now, I'm telling you. It's the best
and
one we've
try.
done.
Guys, get and try Matty's meals. Buy his bloody cookbook. Put a link in the description. Make sure you buy his home style cooking.
That is insane. That's so good, doll.
Amanda is a fussy eater. I'll eat anything, but
Yeah, we know that.
this is the best. I've got all of my fingers. Look at this. This is the best tartare sauce I've ever had. And the fish is just awesome.
This does things to you, I can tell you. Ladies, you need to try this.
That's it.
I'm having some funny feeling.
This is bloody good. Sorry we're not talking too much. This is like Matty, legend. So good.
Oh, wow.
That is really good.
I'm just going to stand here all night and eat fish.
Well, we got heaps because kids didn't worry about coming down, so they can miss out now. No, that's not the case. They'll get to try something. They just don't want to do it on camera. All right, guys.
That's insane.
Sorry.
Hands down, the best thing we've cooked. Oh, hang on. Apart from everything that's been my recipe.
No, this one beats it.
No. Hands down, best cooked, doll. Best thing I've tasted for a long time.
I actually think
No
it is
offense.
too. I actually think it is too. Guys, thanks very much for supporting our channel. Please try this meal.
You got it.
This is one that I'm super proud about copying from Matty. Thanks very much for supporting us on the channel. We love you guys, and you are welcome. Try these out. These are, I don't know, these are just bloody brilliant. We're just gonna keep eating, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Father's Day to all of you dads out there.